I am going to go over some basic lab equipment with you. So that way, when you get your lab kit, you'll have an idea of what materials you'll be receiving. Now, I'm going to be going through a couple of different lab kits, so not every one of these materials will be included in every single kit. But on the box, when you receive your box, you should have an inventory in your box. And on the top cover of your box, on the inside cover, you should have a QR code, and you just scan it and you enter your kit code, and it will help you with any additional help you need with identifying materials. You're always welcome to email me as well if you are stuck in terms of identifying a material in your box. So this is a kit component that a lot of you, not all of you, will receive. It's called Basic Lab Equipment. It contains your goggles. It contains some gloves. It contains permanent marker. It contains a test tube brush for when you need to reach inside and clean. Contains your thermometer. Make sure to be careful because it is glass. So thermometers contained inside here, inside that tube. It contains some basic tweezers and a lot of, like the name implies, basic lab equipment. And this is pretty standard in most of the kits. Another basic material that you'll have in pretty much all your kits, no matter which lab you are dealing with, is you're going to have a whole bunch of pipettes. Okay, these pipettes are one-time use. These are disposable pipettes. Okay, so you're not going to be using those again in future experiments, and they should be labeled by which experiment. For instance, in this container, this particular kit has two different ones in it. So it's going to vary based on which kit you've got, and they will be labeled on the outside. This is for blah, blah, blah experiment. This one's for blah, blah, blah other experiment. Okay, other things that you will have in your kits. You're going to have a package, some sort, that contains your reagents. Okay, those are the chemicals that you're going to be using. Make sure that you use them appropriately. Okay, don't ever use anything in a way that you're not supposed to use it. Other materials going to be pretty similar. You're going to just have a package with a label. For instance, this one is for measuring pH. And so it gives you little samples that you're going to be measuring pH. And then pH paper. And then an indication on how to interpret it is on the inside cover. All right. A lot of these materials are very, very straightforward. They're probably things that you saw in your high school experience. And if you didn't take high school chemistry, you've probably heard of them, seen them on TV, that sort of thing. So very straightforward, very easy to read. Other materials, you will likely have some sort of heat source. So for instance, if you have an experiment that involves heating, you've got your heat source and you've got something to set your experiment on top of. A lot of the kits contain test tube holders, okay, something similar to that. A lot of the kits contain some sort of material, I'm trying to read, some sort of tool for measuring the balance. Okay, so this one is for measuring digital readout, for measuring mass. Let's see, here's a different kit over here. Let's look at how it looks. Here's another balance for measuring masses. A lot of the similar things. We got your pH paper, got your reagents kit, lots and lots of pipettes, lots and lots of gloves. And in this kit, we have some test tube clamps for picking up. So our test tube clamps. Okay. Got a scoopula for scooping out samples. This one is called Basic Chem Equipment. That's what this one was labeled. So all of your materials should be Again, the box itself has a QR code that you can scan, and you have your kit code. And then if you have any problems with identifying this, please just feel free to send me an email, contact me, reach out to me. And also, your kit company is available for help if you would rather go through them. But I think you'll be very, very happy with the materials because they're very easily labeled and everything's easy to find. And if you have any questions about the kit or how to use it, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a good day. Bye.